Hi, and welcome to this week's 2-minute art hack. What have we got for you this week, straight from the Smart Art Academy? It's all about sketching outside and especially trees. We can use this, however, on any subject. How do we start? We break things down to a simple shape, whether that's a circle or a triangle or a teardrop shape, or lots of little ovals. We can turn all of those into really quick, realistic looking trees. Follow me, I'll show you exactly what I mean. So firstly, the circle shape, we're putting on some charcoal and blending it through before thinking about where our light is and reapplying that charcoal in the darks and using our putty rubber just to dab some texture in there. Same with our triangle tree. We know this is a fir tree, so we're making our charcoal marks mimic how the branches are. So you'll note they're longer and less dabby than that circle tree is, and we're blending using the same feel. But with our putty rubber, again, highlighting more that's on the light and making sure those edges aren't straight. Putty rubbers are great for this, just blending that through to give that nice feel. And with our teardrop shape, this is more of a cypress tree. So again, you'll note we're putting those marks down in the direction of the branches. So they're long and going upward. And again, with the eraser, we're stroking the eraser up to give those highlights and putting more dark in. With the multiple layered tree, we're using those circles to know where our darks and lights are. So again, we're putting our charcoal in and using our putty rubber to dab texture. Hopefully that was helpful, and you can go out now and sketch trees with confidence. We have done an entire section within the Smart Art Academy just on how to draw trees quickly, straight from shapes, all the things. To find out more, subscribe to my email, links in the comments, and you'll get to know all about all the free workshops and everything else, including the little Smart Sketching Club. See you again on another 2-minute art hack. Bye.